guys, welcome back to another brand new episode of Simple Yet Good. And I know my voice or my appearance is not the most presentable today. I forbid for that. Actually, I'm suffering from fever and I'm not at all well. So please pardon me for this particular video. Hope from the next video you shall not see me this. And more so, a very big thank you to you guys without whom we are nothing. Thank you for always being with us and constantly supporting us. Thank you. Okay, one small disclaimer that the actual video that we going out is shot way before. It's shot almost a couple of months ago, so it's not the recent scenario that we shot. So for now, I would request you guys, please don't go out if it's not extremely necessary. Stay back at your homes because the situations are again deteriorating and we don't know what will happen next. So for our betterment, more so for our loved ones, please stay back for now. And now finally, without much ado, let's quickly begin. So here's the entire squad and now we are heading towards Nico Bowling. The first preference was Nico Park, but then हम लोग को लगा कि okay थोड़ा indoor कुछ explore किया जाए and we shifted the plan towards Nico Bowling. But now here it's the entire squad and हम लोग ने एक कार बुक किया है सो दैट हम लोग सब एक ही कार में एकोमोडेट कर सके एंड हमारा जर्नी भी उतना ही एनर्जेटिक एंड एंथुसियास्टिक रहे जितना कि हम लोग वहाँ जाके एंजॉय करें. सो इट्स अ कार एंड इट्स अ एंटायर स्क्वाड ताकि हम लोग सब साथ में जा सके एज यू कैन सी. एंड लेट्स मीट यू सून व्हाइल वी आर इन द निको बोल. Here we are already near our destination. We are super duper excited and see you soon जब हम लोग निको बोलिंग enter करेंगे. And here this is the entrance to Nico Bowling from the outside, as the main gate is the main gate from where we can enter the actual the arena. I will show you in a while, but this is the outside gate from where we need to complete our sanitization and ticket booking process. So for the sanitization, as I said, we all are lined up here, and as well as we need to collect our tickets. So let's see what happens then. And see, it's so crazy, the water park, but as I said, that plan was cancelled because water में बहुत ज़्यादा contamination हो रहा है and we thought of not going there, instead coming to Nico Bowling. So here, after the sanitization process, we are all lined up for our tickets. The entry ticket is very minimal. It's 60 rupees for per person and we are getting our handbands from here. And now from the front entry, we are finally entering the Nico Bowling. As you can see, we all are super excited. After a long time, we are all friends together. We came out. So as you can see, the left side, we have the food area and the right side is the ticket counters from where we can collect our tickets for the games. See the ambience, just see, it's so awesome. Just see. And the first game that we chose for the day was air hockey. It's a very interesting game. Like हम लोग को बहुत मजा आया. Again, 60 rupees for 2 person. We were provided with 5 minutes and it was really enjoyable. Next we have over here pool. As you can see, the equipments are so well furnished. The balls, the sticks, everything, they are so well sanitized that I had to share it with you guys. And the fun fact over here is हमें किसी को pool खेलना नहीं आता. We are all here just to pose and have some good clips, you know, some अच्छे pics लेने थे सबको. किसी को pool खेलना नहीं आता, like literally किसी को नहीं. Okay. And the small piece of information that was good to share with you guys. I thought it's that the ticket for pool is 80 rupees and it will provide you 30 minutes to play, which is quite a decent amount of time. And if you can play pool, it's really good amount of time. Even if you can't play pool like us, fix lijiye. It's, see, if you guys are all in a group and 80 rupees is then minimal, na, you can share with each other and you can all enjoy together, you know, clicking pics, posing over here. That's all what we did. And next we have basketball, which is a coin game, and it's the ticket fare is 60 rupees, against which they'll give you 5 minutes to play, which you will find really less. बहुत interesting game है, because we were having too much fun in it, and हमने तो 2-3 बार अपना tickets को repurchase किया, and it's really a fun game. Then here we sat down for a small while to enjoy our foods. यहाँ पे food भी बहुत अच्छा है, and since I said the sanitization is so well over here, हम लोग को बिल्कुल भी वो fear नहीं हुआ कि हम लोग बाहर खाना खा रहे हैं and all that. And finally, the most awaiting thing, it's the bowling time. Just see the ambience. First, you just look at the ambience. It's so beautiful. Like, it's such a beautiful ambience, the lighting and everything. Just have a look. Each and every ball is being sanitized over here. Even the pavement, the railings are being sanitized. It's really means incredible. The amount of effort they are putting, it's really worth the money they are taking from us. It's really very well sanitized, and it's 150 rupees for one player for one game, while it's 250 rupees for 2 players for one game. And sanitization means, I will definitely say it as many times as you wanna hear. It's the best over here, and definitely this bowling area is one of the best arenas of bowling in Kolkata. As you can see already by the faces, we all are so exhausted and tired, as we are very hungry. So in the same lane, just beside the Nico Bowling and all that, we have a Pizza Hut over here where we chose to come and, you know, enjoy our dinner. And finally, it's the homecoming time. सबका face देख के समझ में आ ही रहा है, सब exhausted है, but still no one wants to go back home. Especially since हम लोग बहुत time के बाद सब निकले थे, and घर जाना किसी को नहीं है. But see the outside, it's such a beautiful weather. It's raining even. Even the homecoming was so much fun, yaar. We enjoyed a lot that day. It was really a day well spent. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and here's a special note of thanks to my friend without whom this video probably and many more videos wouldn't have been possible, because I delayed this video so much. The content was ready, but the intro and outro weren't ready. As you can see, I'm having fever, but for him it's on time. मैं जितना भी late करके video shoot करूँ, he manages to edit it on time, so special thanks to him. So bye bye for now, take care, and if you guys like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. So bye bye and take care. I'm providing my Facebook and Insta handles over here. Please don't forget to follow me so that we can be more connected with each other.